Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Tailswift 7.5 on VirtualBox. First go to Tailswift official website and download. It is tails.net. Click on install Tails. See here at the time of making this video the latest release is 7.5. Then click on binding a Tails DVD. Then see here we have the download option for Tails 7.5 ISO image. Click on it to download. See, download started, go to download. See here, its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel, how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or go to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the location. Okay. I am okay with this default location. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Then select the ISO image. Click on open. Then see. Once you selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian, OS version as Debian. Don't select this, proceed with unrated installation. Okay. In Debian also you can select the latest version from this list. Okay. Then specify hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes memory. Number of CPU equals 2. Hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use the up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.5, and hit enter. Now see here, welcome to Tails, language and formats. See, these are the default values. If you want to change any one of these, just you need to click on these options, then you can select the option that you want. Okay. And if you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on like this. If you don't want, turn off. And additional settings, see, these are the default values set. By default, administration password off. I want to set the password, so just you need to click on this administration password. Then set the password. Turn on the same. Then click on add. In the same way, if you want to modify any one of these three, you can select and you can modify. Okay. I'm okay with these settings. Then click on start Tails. Tar connection. Tar connect to tar automatically, or my local network that I am connecting to tar. It is up to you, whatever you want. You can select and you can connect to tar. Okay. Now it is establishing connection. Now open terminal or console. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed 7.5. Okay. See, successfully connected to tar. Click on start tar browser. See, we have the tar browser version 15.0.7. Okay. The first step after connecting to Tailswift is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the administration and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailswift 7.5 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.